One of Natgraph's recent bespoke projects is this dryer with an S-shaped conveyor belt. In this video, we'll show you some of the main features of this custom-built project. An area outside the dryer provides a place to load the substrate onto the pallet, ready to start its drying process. As the pallet enters the Natgraph Dryer, you'll see that there are 9 separate drying zones in the hood of the machine, ensuring that the air is only delivered where it's needed. Each of these drying zones are controlled independently by their own dedicated high-performance air fan via the machine's intelligent HMI panel. This allows for a customisable drying process. For example, the air speed could start off at 20 meters per second and then increase all the way up to 70 meters per second as the process requires. Each module is supplied with dehumidified air to precondition the air before the drying process. Each module is fitted with 2 H13 HEPA filters to ensure that clean air is delivered over the substrate. We'll show you more projects in future videos, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you don't miss out. To find out more about how we can transform your process, click the link in the description below and be sure to check out our website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you.